Hello and welcome to my video. Today I will show you how to crochet these very simple granny squares. Granny squares you can crochet in more colors, like here, or in one color. Wish you a lot of fun, subscribe to my channel, and let's begin. Today I will crochet with acrylic yarn, like here, but you can crochet with another yarn. This is with cotton yarn. We need 4 stitch markers, matching crochet hook, scissors, and at the end sewing needle. I start with the magic ring and crochet first round puff stitches. The puff stitches are in every round different. First round, pull yarn, yarn over and grab yarn through the ring. Is first time, yarn over, grab yarn, second time, third, and 4. Now pull yarn and through the all loops and chain 1. One more time, yarn over 1, yarn over 2, 3, and 4 through all loops and chain 1. We need 8 puff stitches in the first round. Now I have 8 puff stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now pull yarn and close the ring and finish round with the slip stitch in this first stitch. Now change color. Through this first loop. These 2 yarns you can leave running in the middle a few stitches. And now second round, pull yarn, and we start between these 2 puff stitches. Yarn over, grab yarn and pull yarn. Now only 3 times. It's 1, 2 and 3 through the all loops and chain 1. Now we crochet between 2 puff stitches. We crochet 2 puff stitches. It's 1, 2 and 3. And chain 1, and again 1, 2 and 3 through all loops and chain 1, and again, and 1, 2, 3, chain 1 and 1, 2, 3 and chain 1. Cut these yarn ends and this repeat to the end of round. And last time we have between all 2 puff stitches, but here only 1. And now we crochet second, 1, 2 and 3 through all loops, chain 1, and finish round with the slip stitch in this first stitch. it was second round. Round 3, change color. These 2 yarns leave running in the middle, and now pull yarn. We start between these 2 puff stitches and yarn over, grab yarn, 1, yarn over, grab yarn, 2, through all loops and chain 1. Now we pull yarn only 2 times, and again between every 2 puff stitches we crochet 2 puff stitches, 1 and 2, through all loops, chain 1, and one more time, 1 and 2, and chain 1. This repeat to the end of round, and last puff stitch, chain 1, and finish round with the slip stitch in this first stitch. And now cut yarn and pull yarn. Now last 2 rounds I crochet with another color, but if you want you can round number 4 crochet 2 with one color, and only last round with different color. Round number 4 we start somewhere here and pull yarn. Now pull yarn. This yarn leave running in the middle, yarn over, grab yarn and pull yarn. Now through the first 2 loops, again yarn over, grab yarn and pull yarn, and through all loops, chain 1, and between next 2 puff stitches the same, yarn over, grab yarn and pull yarn, through 2 loops, and yarn over, grab yarn and pull yarn, and through all loops and chain 1. This repeat to the end of round. Few stitches later you can cut this yarn, and this yarn you can do running in the middle, and you must not sewing yarn ends. And last time, chain 1 and finish round with the slip stitch, but not in this first stitch, but in this stitch. And now we have 64 stitches in round. Is very important, but this is divisible by 4, but we need 4 corners. And now we mark the 4 corner stitches. From here is the middle, and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, stitch number 8, here skip 15 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and stitch number 16, here the same, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Here we have the same, 15, 16, and here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, and this middle stitch is number 8, is together 15. Last round, chain 1 single crochet in next 2 stitches, 1 and 2, 1 half double crochet in next 2 stitches, 1 and 2, 1 double crochet in next 2 stitches, 1 and 2, and 1 triple crochet in the last stitch, in the mark stitch we crochet 1 triple crochet, chain 1, again 1 triple crochet in the same stitch, now 1 triple crochet in the next stitch, one double crochet in next 2 stitches, two, 1 half double crochet in next 2 stitches, 1 and 2, 1 single crochet in next 5 stitches, 1, 2, and 3. This stitch number 3 is the middle, 4 and 5, 1 half double crochet in next 2 stitches, 1 double crochet in next 2 stitches, triple crochet in the last stitch, and in the mark stitch 1 triple crochet, chain 1 and 1 triple crochet. Now we have 2 corners, and this repeat to the end of round. Now last 2 half double crochet, 2, and 1 single crochet in last 2 stitches, 1 and 2, and now finish round in this first stitch, but I make so from the back side to the front, pull this loop on the back side, now cut yarn and pull this yarn, and now in this last stitch in back loop, pull this yarn on the back side, and this stitch looks like the another stitches. Now sew yarn on the back side, and the granny square is finished. Now we have the same number of stitches on every side. It's very important if you want join the granny squares. If you want, I have one video how to join granny squares. Link can you find in descriptions. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel and see you next time.